Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to integrate your Stripe payment gateway into your e-commerce website using Shopivana. So all we have to do is first create a Stripe account and go through the process so that you can activate your Stripe account. Once you've done that, then we have to follow the instructions in this video so that you can integrate your payment gateway, which is your Stripe payment gateway, into your account. So what we are now going to do is go to dashboard, go down into settings, go into payment settings, and from payment settings, the first option that you see here is show COD at checkout. What this means is, do you want to show your customers a cash on delivery option at the time of checkout? If you switch this on, then at checkout, they can see a pay on delivery option. If you don't want that, you can always switch it off. Then, in order to integrate Stripe, you need to switch this on, which is pay at checkout, and then select Stripe as your payment gateway. Now, we'll require the payment gateway key as well as the secret key from Stripe. In order to do that, you need to log into your Stripe account, and once you've logged in, make sure that it's not in test mode. Go to your developers option, and then go here into API keys. Now from here, you'd require a publishable key, which is the public key, as well as the secret key. I already have my secret key, which I'll just paste it here. But first, you need to copy this key and paste it there. I'm going to do it in the reverse order. So what we need to do is go here, put in the secret key, which I already have. Then go into my API keys, copy this, go into store configuration, paste that. As you can see that this is my public key and this is my secret key. Once we've published that, all we need to do is then go into my checkout, and as you'll see, your payment gateway integration is complete. I'll refresh this and you'll see the pay online option available. I'll go into checkout. Now instead of just checking out, it will take you through the Stripe payment gateway, and your customer will now be able to pay online using the Stripe account. So Stripe gives you a method in which you can pay using credit card and debit cards, both Visa and MasterCard. Obviously, the number of features would be defined by the settings that you have on your Stripe account. But then your customer can then fill in all these details, pay at checkout, and after paying at checkout, your orders will start appearing here in the orders section. So your orders will start appearing here in the orders section. That's how easy it is in order to integrate Stripe payment gateway into Shopivana. Thank you.